Hey everybody, what's up? This is Leroy and welcome to my channel 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Now, as I said before, I've been doing meal prep and meal ideas, so I wanted to come here with another recipe that I've done. This one's for chicken fajitas. Absolutely amazing. Even my wife said it was as good as something she would get in a restaurant. So, if you like videos like this, give me a big thumbs up on that. Subscribe to my channel down below. Now I'm going to leave the recipe that I used. I'll put that down in the description box below, so that way everybody knows what I did and you can just follow the instructions on that. And then, like I said, I hope you enjoy this video, and here we go. Let's jump right into it. So I made this for this to soak in. It's got some olive oil, lime juice, water, minced garlic, chili powder, cilantro, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Like I said, I'll leave everything down in the description below, and then I let that chill and soak there for about an hour or two. So now I got some jalapenos that I bought, and I use these 3 big ones, and then I only pull out 2 of these peppers, but I actually use 3, and I think 3 was too much. And alakablam, that quick. So I pulled that out of the fridge. Now, I made this earlier today, and I actually diced up the chicken and then put it inside or not diced it up, but I cut the chicken into strips and then put it in the sauce, and I let everything sit together, the vegetables, and that come out really good. So that's what I would do instead of the way I did it here. Now, these pieces of chicken breast, that's half a chicken breast. Those things are gargantuan. I don't know what they were feeding the chickens. From where I got this, we found this meat on sale, and them things are huge. I mean, it's like a Godzilla chicken. I don't know. But anyways, so I cut it up. I mean, that's a pretty big knife, and it's not even going all the way through. That tells you how big that chicken was. One chicken, perfectly fine for all this whole meal. Like I did today, I made it was just a stir fry with rice. Same recipe, soaked it in the same sauce mixture there, but just made a stir fry so that it was over rice. And oh man, I took 2 chicken breasts for the same size as one of those. Those are monsters. I mean, I'm here talking about a bunch of chicken breasts. Like, I'm getting old. That's how you know you're old. You're fascinated and just amazed at how much money you save because a piece of chicken breast is huge. But hey, it is what it is, man. So yeah, like I said, I cut that up. If I were to do this over again, I would have cut it up first and let it all soak. But you don't want to let that soak for more than, I've seen about 2 hours, because that lime juice will cause the chicken to start breaking down, and it'll change the texture of it. So you don't want it to like soak overnight or marinate overnight. I think I had it in for about 2 hours, and then I let that go for about a half hour while I was letting the oven preheat. And then I preheated my oven to 450 degrees. So I just put this on parchment paper because it makes it nice and easy for cleanup, and spread it all out. And then I cooked it for about 10-15 minutes. Then I got my rice cooker over here, and I made some rice to go with it. And I tell you what, this was delicious. My wife loved it. We had it, like I said, we had it again tonight as a stir fry, and just as a stir fry, not on tortillas or anything. She absolutely loved it. So, and then here's the finished product. I put a little bit of cheese on it with the tortilla and some sour cream there. And I made that rice. Put it all together. I probably added some spices to the rice because I usually do. I've got a fire roasted Cajun seasoning that I absolutely love with just about everything. And here it was. And like I said, I used those 3 peppers, so there were way more vegetables than it needed to be. So, hey, like I said, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching.